The cryptocurrency market is declining sharply. The Bitcoin has hit a 6-month low in trade in its third consecutive weekly loss. However, Bitcoin is not the only crypto under pressure. Several altcoins and tokens have also fallen 20 to 30% from their 2025 highs. Since October this year, the crypto market has lost over $1.1 trillion in value. Talking about Bitcoin, it has already slipped below the 90,000 mark. All the gains made this year have been wiped out with its decline. This drop has sent ripples across the market. It has prompted the investors rushing to protect themselves from more damage. How? Well, in the options market, traders have turned heavily bearish. Options expiring later this month are seeing unusually high activity, according to data from Deribit, which is owned by Coinbase. This decline comes unexpected as the traders were betting high just a week ago. But now more than $740 million worth of bearish contracts, bets that Bitcoin will fall further, have been bought for late November expiry. Also, the Crypto Fear Index, which gauges the market sentiment of cryptocurrencies, has also hit its lowest level in 3 years. To give you an idea, the Crypto Fear Index provides a score from 0 to 10. The Fear Index has now plummeted to 10, a level not seen in over 3.5 years. So what do analysts have to say in such a scenario? The analysts believe that such extreme fear suggests two potential scenarios. Either the market has reached its bottom or it is approaching it. It's not just Bitcoin feeling the heat. Other crypto assets are falling too. Take Ether. It's down nearly 40% from its August peak of over $4,955, now trading around $2,997, slipping another 1% on Tuesday. And it's not just the coins. Crypto-linked companies like miners, Riot Platforms and Mara Holdings, and even major exchanges like Coinbase are also seeing their stocks drop as overall market sentiment turns negative. The question now is, why are cryptocurrencies falling? Let's take a look in this episode. In the last 40 to 45 days, nearly 8.5 lakh bitcoins have been sold, the highest selling pressure the market has seen since January 2024. A broader risk-off mood is adding to the pressure on crypto. Big investors, corporate treasuries, long-term holders, and even ETF allocators have been pulling out money. That's now leading to fresh redemptions across the entire crypto market. The total crypto market cap has now dropped to $3.3 trillion, down from this year's peak of $4.3 trillion. In simple terms, that's nearly $1 trillion wiped out from the market. Bitcoin goes through a number of halving once every 4 years, and 2024 was the latest halving year. Markets had already expected investors to book profits in 2025, and that's exactly what we are seeing this quarter. Market analysts attribute the decline to uncertainty around future US interest rate cuts and a broader market slowdown followed a prolonged rally. Joshua Chu, co-chair of the Hong Kong Web3 Association, explained, the cascading sell-off is amplified by listed companies and institutions exiting their positions after piling in during the rally, compounding contagion risks across the market. When support thins and macro uncertainty rises, confidence can erode with remarkable speed. A Bloomberg report says traders are now seeking more downside protection, with demand rising for options at $90,000, $85,000 and even $80,000. Bloomberg says the biggest hit has come for companies known as digital asset treasuries. Firms bought huge amounts of crypto earlier this year, expecting prices to keep rising. Many of them are now under pressure to sell just to protect their balance sheets. And that's created a psychological burden across the market. A lot of investors are stuck. They're sitting on big losses. They're also not ready to sell at a loss. The market has been shaky ever since a major liquidation wave in early October wiped out nearly $19 billion worth of digital assets. Open interest in crypto futures has also dropped sharply, especially in smaller tokens like Solana, where positions have fallen by more than half according to CoinGlass. So what do you think? The crypto market will fall or rise further? Share with us in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.